Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect iPhone to Infiniti QX50 only way. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your iPhone, then open the Infiniti Bluetooth menu and choose to add a new device. When the vehicle lists your iPhone, select it and accept any prompts. Match the pairing code shown on both screens, then tap Trust on the iPhone. Wait a few seconds for confirmation and test audio and phone functions to ensure everything works smoothly. Start by placing both devices within a few feet and keeping the car in park for safety. On the iPhone, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth, then on the Infiniti select Add Phone or Add Device. When the iPhone appears, select it and verify the matching passcode on both screens. Choose to allow contacts and favorites to sync so calls display properly. Finally, test a call and audio playback to confirm a stable connection. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials. On another note, quick recommendation. Stay hydrated on drives with the Owala water bottle shown here. It fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold. I like connecting small comforts to car routines, and this is a useful pick for road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you hit a snag, don't worry, common fixes are simple and quick. First, restart your iPhone and the vehicle display by turning the car off briefly, then try pairing again. If that fails, on the iPhone tap the info icon next to the QX50 listing and choose Forget this device, then repeat the pairing process. Also check for software updates on both your phone and the car to prevent compatibility hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.